Good morning, everyone. I'm M.Yogadharani, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today, I'm going to discuss about decision tree in AI subject. So, decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm. Already we saw about other supervised learning algorithms like KNN, SVM, and Nail-based. These are all under supervised learning algorithms, and this is a part of part of a supervised learning algorithm. It is mainly used for solving classification problems. So, in decision tree contains a tree-like structure technique. So, it contains a root node, branches or subtrees, and leaf nodes. So, root contains the decision tree features, and branches contains the for decision rules, and leaf nodes are our outcomes. So next move on to the terminologies which are used in a decision tree. And the first one is root node. As I told you already, root node is the first step of a decision tree. It contains features of a complete data set. And then leaf node. Leaf nodes are the last level of the tree, and these leaf node contains the outcome. Given nodes or we take a decision like if it is correct, it goes to the left subtree, and the decision is right, goes to the right subtree. And subtrees contains the rules. It also called as branches. Proving is nothing but it used to remove the unwanted subtrees in the decision tree, and parent node is nothing but the root node. Child node or leaf node. Leaf node contains, already told you that the entire data set contains the outcome only in the leaf nodes. Move on to the algorithm of decision tree. The first step is we begin with the root node, and this root node contains the what are the possible features in a complete data set. Next, find ASM. ASM stands for attribute selection method, which means it has the technique which I discuss later. And here, divide S. S contains in a root node. See here, divide S into subsets. Here, it contains what are the possible values which are available in our data set. Here, possible values. And then the next step is going to generate the decision tree node. And here it contains the best attribute. So you must know the difference between the third step and fourth step. Here, possible values are going to be discussed. Here we find out the best attribute. Here, possible values of attribute. Values of best attribute. Here we find out the best attribute. And fourth step, here we continue the process until here the leaf node, that is the last step. There is no other further classification. See here, root node, then branches. Here these are the last step. Here there is no other segregation or no other subtrees that takes place. Until the last level, we are going to continue the process till from third step to the fifth step. While implementing a decision tree, there is a problem, there is a main issue to how to select the attribute in a given data set. So there is a solution called ASM. ASM stands for attribute selection method. In ASM, it has two techniques. First one is entropy, and the second one is information gain. So entropy is nothing but it is a metric to measure the impurities in a given attribute. So it is a degree of randomness of a data. So that the formula says entropy of S is equal to minus probability of S into log 2 probability of S minus probability of no into log 2 of probability of no. Here X stands for number of samples in the given attribute, and S is for the probability of the S samples, and no stands for probability of no events. And the second technique of ASM is information gain. Information gain is nothing but the measurement of changes after the entropy. and the segmentation for the data set for the best attribute, and it gives the information about the futures. It provides us about a detail about the class, and it gives the information gain, split the node and then do the decision tree. And in information gain, it always increase the value of the node and subtrees. It always increases, maximizes the value. And information gain formula is information gain equal to entropy of S, because I already told you that information gain is the measurement after the entropy. So entropy of S minus weighted average into entropy of each features. So in next video I will explain about explain the example. Thank you.